Did you know that you can make money from YouTube without creating videos? That's right, you can use other people's videos to make money from YouTube. Allow me to explain. You see, these product and app companies will create what's called a product demo video that they are legally allowing people like you and me to use as we see fit, as they help them to establish and further build their brand. So all we need to do is take these product demo videos and upload them to YouTube. And when we do, we get paid. Now, I don't have time to explain all the details inside of this short YouTube ad. So what I've done is I've created a free web class that you can go and attend right now today, where I'll show you where you can find these product demo videos, the step-by-step instructions to uploading and monetizing these videos, and how each one of these videos can generate passive recurring income for months, if not years to come, and also how Philip here from Denmark has used this system to make over $11,000. So if you're interested in attending, simply click in the top right-hand side of this ad if you're on a mobile, the bottom left-hand side of this ad if you're on a desktop. It will take you through to a page that looks like this, where you can go ahead and register and watch this web class right now, today. Now, this is a brand new system for 2021, and there's hardly any other people doing this right now, which is why I don't know when I'm going to be taking this web class down. So I strongly urge you to go and watch this sooner rather than later, because this may be your last chance. So on this call, I'm also going to show you how people like Dave Kammer here made $850 just yesterday. People like Ashley, who's doing his lockdown, not in the UK, but in Mexico, have made over $1,000 in a single day while he's been chilling out on the beach. I'll also show you people like Mbadiwe here, who've used this system to make over $40,000. And I'll also show you people like Mo Souley here, who's from London, who's used this system to make over $17,000. And people like James Fawcett here, who's originally from Australia, but he now lives in the US, who've used this system and blown it up to $445,000. Now, all of these people never had any previous experience, okay? They all had full-time jobs. They don't anymore because they quit, because they're doing this. But when they started, they could only allocate around 45 minutes a day to doing this. So it's not very time-consuming. Now, the one thing that all these people did have in common is that they all watched this free web class, and they've learned how to make money from YouTube without making their own videos. They've all gone on to do the exact same thing that you're looking to do right now. So find out how they did it. Click on this ad, and hopefully I'll see you inside.